Hi guys! So today we're going to Oakland, but before that, dumaan muna kami sa hospital for my prenatal checkup. And after nun, Nathan asked me kung gusto ko raw pumunta sa Oakland para maglakad-lakad lang at mag-picture-picture. I know he's really supportive. So Nathan's driving as always. And me, eto, pa-cute-cute lang here sa passenger seat. The view on the way was so nice, super relaxing, and the weather was perfect. Ang daming trees lang and the air felt so fresh. Parang perfect day for a little road trip. After almost an hour, finally we arrived in Oakland. But as you can see, sobrang sikip lang ng daan and super crowded since it's the weekend. Ang daming cars and traffic going in. But it's okay, worth it naman. The place is beautiful and peaceful. We never expected na magiging crowded dito. Pero ang ganda pa rin ng place. The leaves falling, trees turning brown, reddish, yellow, you name it. So we went to this cute store and guys, they sell literally everything. Green apples, red apples. Pero we didn't stay long kasi sobrang dami ng tao. So instead, we decided to get something to eat kasi nagugutom na si boss. We got sandwiches, salad, and apple cider juice. Super fall vibes lang talaga. Trying the apple cider juice now. It was good, pero sobra lang siyang sweet for me. Pero Nathan liked it. Next, we went to the botanic garden. My trail inside, and the place is really big. Good for hiking, pero since I'm pregnant, hindi ko kaya maglakad ng ganun katagal. 50 steps pa nga lang, naghihingalo na ako. Kaya slow walking lang kami, tapos stop to take pictures. Ang ganda ng trees dito. Some are turning yellow or brown, tapos may mga green pa rin, so parang mix of colors. Super relaxing, parang naka-escape ka from the city. We just walk slowly, enjoy the fresh air, and listen to the sound of birds. Nathan was taking pictures while I was pa-cute-cute lang. Kahit hindi kami nag-hike hard, we still had so much fun strolling and enjoying the nature around. Just every corner talaga is perfect for pictures. Also, the trees here are super tall, parang sequoia trees. Grabe, I'm really in awe sa creation ng Panginoon. Sobrang impressive talaga when you look up and ang ganda ng view tapos ang fresh ng air. So, just me and Nathan, nakaupo lang kasi I felt tired. Napahinga lang kami ng konti, enjoy the view, tapos konting chit-chat. So, we decided to go back since they closed at 5:30 and I was getting tired too. We didn't get to see the other parts of Oakland, but at least we still enjoyed walking around the main area. Now we're walking back to the car. Medyo pagod na ako dito. But it was such a nice afternoon. The fresh air and the view were really relaxing. You know what guys, one thing I love about America is the color of the sunset. Ang ganda talaga, sobrang relaxing and beautiful to look at. It was my first time seeing so many cows. Amoy meat pa, ang dami, parang nag-party sila sa field. We decided to just go to the mall before going home, so something quick lang kasi medyo pagod na rin kami. Actually, we went for pizza and cinnamon kasi we haven't had cinnamon for a while. But fun fact about our favorite foods, pizza, cinnamon, and fried rice syempre. We always get excited to eat them. Just chilling after the long day. Di ko na rin kaya magluto kasi late na. So we got 2 cinnamons to eat there, tapos 1 box na may 6 pieces. We were just enjoying our food together and talking about the trip, how fun it was and how relaxing the day felt. It felt so nice to just sit down, enjoy some good food, and take a break after walking around Oakland. Medyo messy yung cinnamon, pero super worth it. I think that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on our next one. Bye!